It is that time again for the daily recap with Larry. And hey, it is Friday. I hope everybody has had a good day and looking forward to the weekend. But yeah, we will go ahead and jump into this recap and get her knocked out. First thing, we'll go over the numbers. And again, like I said, I traded the 5-minute opening range. I copy traded it across 5 accounts. I recorded it, so we'll go over that and see the results. And then we'll go over the results for the week for that strategy. So first things first, let's jump into the numbers. As you can see, my trade copier has changed a little bit. They have done some upgrades and software changes, and I'm still, playing and tweaking with the settings. So it's going to look a little different for a day or two. As you can see, I did, I squeezed out some evals this morning, and I do have one account red, and wouldn't you know it, the one that is red is a personal account. That's about the way it goes. So, but I didn't do nothing stupid. I was still happy with the way I traded today. I took a loss on this and I accepted it. So it is what it is. We'll start back Monday with that one. But all the other profit is pretty good. The one, it says done, but that on a funded account, that just means that the buffer zone is met and it is in payout threshold. I'm just waiting on my days to come around to where I can request a payout. I did get my 2 other Take Profit Pro accounts today. So now I have 3. And you can see down here, it changed a little bit. It tells, how many Tradified, Lucid, Take Profit Pro accounts and all that have I got. For the 5-minute opening range trade right here, hey, it was another smoking day for that trade. It was a winning trade. It was $125 across 5 accounts. It ended up being $625. Well, we'll go ahead and get into that video. But looking at the chart right here, yeah, this morning on the 8:30 news, we just pumped. And then it kind of went sideways. And this is the 5-minute opening range. We pushed through it. Let me see if I can find that video. We will go ahead and get into it. Again, I am trading NQ with 1 mini, and this chart is on the 5-minute time frame. It just makes it easier for me to mark it out. I already have these horizontal lines just sitting here waiting on me. I just have to click and drag them. That way I ain't got to draw them. I'll go ahead and hit play. We'll let this, I'll have to fast forward it because it's going to be a minute before the 5-minute opening range is set. So I am just moving. This candle here is the 5-minute candle. You can see we got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left in it. And I'm just moving my horizontal lines to the high and the low as it makes them. We'll keep fast forwarding. Okay, right here we got 25 seconds left in this candle. I'm still having to adjust the upper horizontal line. I keep moving it to the end of the wick. But already we got 15 seconds left in my head. I'm thinking, we're going to push through it. So when the next candle prints, more than likely we're going to push the upside. So I go in here. We have got 2 seconds left. The candle is completed. I'm put a buy order, and as soon as I did it, it bought me in. And we'll let this play out. I was in the trade just a few seconds, It pushed on up. She's a push, and boom, I'm out of the trade. We'll let this, there was my... And this account here is that eval that I got. I am trying to pass. I had a pretty good day on it. I'm just going to take my time. I got to trade it 3 days with a prop shop trader. But as you can see, it copy traded across all my other accounts. I'm going to tell you that 5-minute opening range has been a pretty solid strategy this week. It was last week too. Let me find this other chart. Like I said yesterday, I'm making this like a spreadsheet where I can keep up with a 5-minute range. I'm gonna do it for a month, see how it kind of plays out. But so far this week, this is Monday through Friday, you can see here we hit 100% win rate this week. Every trade was a winner. We ended the week 815 on one account, and I was copy trading 5 accounts, so it ended the week green 4,075 across all 5 accounts. So yeah, I am definitely going to keep up with this. That'll give us kind of something to go by. I want to do it for a month and see what kind of percentage we have. And when I get that information or data, whatever you want to call it, I'm probably going to change my ATM strategy. I'll probably trade a little bigger and change my take profit and stop loss settings. But hey, I hope everybody has a great weekend. I'm going to make it short and sweet. And thank you all for watching, and I will catch you Monday.